Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet thicker. To achieve a richer texture, focus on your sugar content. Sugar not only sweetens, but also acts as an anti-freeze, preventing large ice crystals. Consider adding a small amount of alcohol, like 1 to 3 tablespoons of vodka per quart, which lowers the freezing point further. Ingredients like pectin or gelatin can also significantly improve the body and mouthfeel of your sorbet, giving it a smoother, denser consistency. Achieving the perfect sorbet thickness also depends on your technique. Ensure your sorbet base is very well chilled before churning. Churning for the right amount of time is crucial. It incorporates air and breaks down ice crystals, resulting in a smoother texture. After churning, transfer your sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 hours to firm up. A freezer temperature around 0 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for optimal results. Balancing your ingredients is key for a thick sorbet. A total sugar content between 20% and 30%, including natural fruit sugars, generally produces a scoopable, creamy sorbet. Incorporating a small amount of corn syrup, perhaps 1/4 cup, can add viscosity and prevent large ice crystals from forming. Additionally, selecting fruit purees naturally high in pectin, such as berries or stone fruits, will contribute to a naturally thicker, smoother result. If your sorbet turns out too soft, try reducing the liquid slightly or increasing the sugar content next time. Conversely, if it's too hard, a touch more alcohol, like 1 to 3 tablespoons per quart, or a bit of corn syrup can help soften its texture. Remember, practice makes perfect. For more great tips and to find some fantastic deals, including a link for incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your perfectly thick sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.